From Wairau's plains a wail went up to heaven, from Kororareka's ensanguined graves, and heaven heard, and unto us 'twas given, to Britons to avenge their slaughtered braves. Upon Waireka's height did God defend the right, and lay the murderer low. His blood-red flag waved high, for death or victory we meet the savage foe. With infant blood his hands are red, with blood by coward murder shed. A cause shall live in story or war cry. God defend the right, for kindred hearts and homes we fight. Our watchword, death or glory. Now through Waireka's dell, the flash, the crack, the yell proclaim the deadly strife. A gallant little band, gainst numbers make a stand. They fight for dear, dear life. When o'er the hills the tigers sweep, the Nigers rush with cheer and leap. By craft foes surrounded, thrice o'er the steep. In bloody fray they drove them down in dire dismay. We save our wounded bright. Rose the moon that night, but pitying veiled her light. Hope whispers home and friend. Hush, hush, the foe is near, our pathway through his lair. Our bleeding comrades tend. With silent march we cautious tread the darkling ambush strewn with dead. For kindred, home and beauty now sorrow gave to joy her tears. The welkin rings with Britons' cheers. Her sons have done their duty.